The motherboard, or placa base, is a crucial component of a computer, serving as its central nervous system. It connects all essential parts, including the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and peripherals, facilitating communication and data flow among them. Understanding the motherboard enhances technical skills, making it important for both electronics enthusiasts and seasoned technicians. As technology advances, motherboards become more complex, incorporating new features and improved connectivity options. This micro-tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the motherboard's functions and practical applications. One of its primary roles is power distribution, where it channels power from the power supply to various components, ensuring the system operates smoothly. The motherboard effectively manages data flow and power distribution, functioning as a traffic conductor within the computer system. Without a properly functioning motherboard, the computer would be inoperable. Thus, grasping the intricacies of the motherboard is essential for anyone interested in computers, as it plays a vital role in the overall performance and functionality of the machine.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro-tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.